Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix foot pain with Dr. Scholl's quick tutorial step by step clearly. Identify the source of your foot pain. Common causes include flat feet, high arches, and poor footwear choices. Begin by assessing your footwear. Check if your shoes provide adequate support and cushioning. Remove your shoes and examine your feet. Look for any signs of swelling, redness, or calluses. Next, gather a pair of Dr. Scholl's insoles that match your foot type. Select insoles designed for arch support if you have flat feet. For those with high arches, consider gel or memory foam options. Carefully remove the insole from your shoe. Place the new Dr. Scholl's insole inside the shoe, ensuring it fits snugly. Step into the shoe to test the fit of the insole. Walk around in the shoes for a few minutes to assess comfort. If pain persists, consider using additional supportive products. Ankle sleeves or compression socks can further stabilize your feet. When at home, try foot stretches to relieve tension. Simple exercises like toe curls and calf stretches can help. Monitor your foot pain over the next few days. If discomfort continues, consult a healthcare professional. Understanding your foot type and needs can lead to effective pain relief. Regularly evaluate your shoes and insoles for wear and tear. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain foot health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.